This flagship phone offers a stunning display, top-tier performance, an exceptional camera system, and a long-lasting battery. Number 1. Blackview Shark 8. The Blackview Shark 8 is a gaming powerhouse. Its high refresh rate display, coupled with the robust processor, delivers an immersive gaming experience. The expanded RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the ample storage accommodates your game library. While the camera might not be its primary focus, it still captures decent shots. Should you buy it? If you prioritize gaming and performance, the Blackview Shark 8 is a solid choice. However, if photography is a top priority, you might want to explore other options. Number 2. Oukitel WP35. Built for the adventurous spirit, the Oukitel WP35 is a rugged smartphone that can withstand harsh conditions. Its massive battery ensures you stay connected, even in remote areas. The combination of ample storage and RAM makes it a versatile device for work and play. Should you buy it? If you have an active lifestyle and need a phone that can keep up, the Oukitel WP35 is an excellent option. However, its design might not appeal to everyone. Number 3. OSCAL Tiger 12. The OSCAL Tiger 12 offers a balanced package of performance, display, and camera capabilities. Its large RAM and storage ensure smooth operation, while the high refresh rate display enhances multimedia consumption. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable phone that can handle most tasks without breaking the bank, the OSCAL Tiger 12 is worth considering. Number 4. RedMagic 9 Pro. The RedMagic 9 Pro is a gaming phone that sets the bar high. Its top-tier processor, coupled with advanced cooling technology, ensures optimal performance. The fast-charging capability is a boon for gamers who need quick power-ups. Should you buy it? If you're a hardcore gamer seeking the ultimate mobile gaming experience, the RedMagic 9 Pro is a no-brainer. However, its focus on gaming might compromise certain features for everyday users. Number 5. Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. The Unihertz Tank 3 Pro is a marvel of engineering. Its rugged design, coupled with a massive battery and a built-in projector, makes it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts. The high-resolution camera captures stunning photos and videos. Should you buy it? If you're an adventurer who demands a phone that can handle extreme conditions and offer entertainment options, the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro is a compelling choice. However, its bulk and weight might not be suitable for everyone.